You make about 35,000 decisions every single day, from what to eat for breakfast to whether you should take that new job offer. But have you ever stopped to think about how your brain actually makes these choices? Today, we are breaking down the fascinating process of decision making. Decision making is something we do constantly, yet, most of us have never learned how it actually works. Understanding this process can help you make better choices and avoid common mistakes. So, let's dive in. Decision making happens in five key steps. First, you identify the decision that needs to be made. This sounds obvious, but it's crucial. Sometimes we make poor choices simply because we are solving the wrong problem. Ask yourself, what exactly am I trying to decide here? Second, you gather information. This is where you collect facts, data, and opinions relevant to your decision. Maybe you research online, talk to friends, or reflect on past experiences. The key is getting enough information without drowning in too much detail. Third, you identify your alternatives. What are all possible actions? Good decision makers don't just pick between the first two choices they see, they brainstorm multiple paths forward. Even wild ideas can lead to creative solutions. Fourth, you weigh the evidence. This is where you evaluate each option. What are the pros and cons? Which choice aligns with your values and goals? Your brain is constantly calculating risks, benefits, and probabilities, even if you are not consciously aware of it. Finally, you choose and take action. After all that thinking, you commit to a decision and move forward. But here is the important part, the process doesn't end there. The best decision makers also review their choices later to learn from them. Now, here is something fascinating. Your brain uses two systems when making decisions. System 1 is fast and automatic, like when you catch a ball or choose your usual coffee order. System 2 is slower and more deliberate, like when you are buying a car or planning your career. Small routine decisions use System 1 to save mental energy, but bigger decisions need System 2. Problems happen when we use the wrong system. Ever made an impulsive purchase you regretted? That's System 1 taking over when System 2 should have been in charge. Here are three quick tips to improve your decision making. Number 1, sleep on important decisions when possible. Your brain processes information while you rest. Number 2, write down your options. Seeing choices on paper makes them clearer. Number 3, imagine you are giving advice to a friend facing the same decision. We are often wiser about other people's choices than our own. So, there you have it. The next time you face a choice, remember these 5 steps: identify, gather information, find alternatives, weigh the evidence, and act. Whether you are deciding what to watch tonight or choosing your next big life move, understanding how decisions work gives you power over them. Thanks for watching.